Hello, in today's mini lesson I'll teach you a little bit about two important chemicals for life, nitrogen and chlorophyll A. I'll discuss the structure, bonding, functional groups, and the chemical and physical properties of both. Chlorophyll is a green pigment present in green plants, algae, and cyanobacteria. It absorbs light to provide energy for photosynthesis, so, it powers one of the most fundamental processes for life. Nitrogen is found in all organisms and is a significant constituent of amino acids. It is also a major component of chlorophyll. Without it, chlorophyll cannot be made, meaning plant development halts and their leaves fade to yellow. Let's start with nitrogen. Nitrogen is a nonmetallic element found in group 15 in period 2 on the periodic table, making it a p-block element. As we can see here, it has the atomic number 7 and an atomic mass of 14.0067. It is only small, at 155 picometers, thus allowing it to form pine buds. Nitrogen is colorless, odorless, and tasteless. The melting point of this element is 63.15 Kelvin, and the boiling point is 77.355 Kelvin. Therefore, it is a gas at standard temperature and pressure. Nitrogen's electron configuration is 2s2 2p3. It has 5 valence electrons. In order to complete its octet, the nitrogen forms 1 sigma and 2 pi bonds with another nitrogen molecule. Elemental nitrogen is in fact a diatomic element where 2 nitrogens are triple bonded to each other, forming a very stable structure often called dinitrogen. This stability is unusual. Typically, when both elements in the pair have odd atomic numbers, they are less stable, but dinitrogen is an exception. The 2 nitrogen atoms in dinitrogen are covalently bonded, as their electronegativity suggests. 3.04 minus 3.04 is 0, and atoms with a 0 electronegativity difference are covalently bonded. As it is a free element, we can also know that its oxidation state is 0, as described by the associated rules. The strength of this triple bond makes dinitrogen very difficult to break, and thus it is not a very reactive element. Most plants take in this diatomic element from the soil, and when supplied with adequate amounts they grow rapidly and produce succulent green foliage. A nitrogen-deficient plant is generally smaller, develops slowly, and is pale green or yellowish as it lacks the adequate chlorophyll that produces their greenness and energy. Chlorophyll A is a green pigment, absorbing light strongly in the blue and red but poorly in green portions of the electromagnetic spectrum. This essential organic molecule has a molar mass of 893.51 grams per mole and is water-insoluble. It is a green solid at standard temperature and pressure with a melting point of 425.15 Kelvin and boiling point of 1158.65 Kelvin. Chlorophyll is a polydentate, more specifically a chelate, and one of the most fundamentally useful chelates in nature at that. It has a central metal ion to which a large organic molecule is bonded to. In this case, there is a porphyrin bonded to a magnesium ion. The porphyrin is a very stable network of alternating single and double bonds, allowing the orbitals to delocalize, making it an excellent photoreceptor. The chlorophyll molecule also has a long hydrophobic tail and 3 functional groups shown here, 2 esters and a ketone. As there are 4 nitrogens bonded to the magnesium ion, its coordination number is 4. So I hope you learned something from this brief video covering the structure, bonding, functional groups, and the chemical and physical properties of dinitrogen and chlorophyll A. Until next time!